Hi everyone. Today I wanted to just take a moment to raise a glass to say farewell to Hangouts. Hangouts started out as one of the social features on Google+. It was ahead of its time. When you threw a Hangouts party, you could play games or watch YouTube videos with the other people in your video call. It even had some really basic AR costumes that you could put on. And one of the amazing features is that you could send an invitation to anyone with a Google Plus profile to either chat or join a video call without having to share your email or know their email. It was also really ahead of its time in that Hangouts on Air let you live stream to YouTube with nothing more than your computer, a browser, and an internet connection. That was long before you could do that on any other platform. When Hangouts launched on its own in 2013, it started to get even more features so that it could be one central place for all your communications. That included Hangouts chats and video calls, but also text messaging and even making phone calls. And even though it was meant for all your communications, it was still fun, and you could use the cute stickers or other tools. The new exciting messaging platforms were Allo and Duo. So that brought on a lot of worry that Hangouts was going to be retired, but Google made clear that they were going to focus Hangouts for business purposes, and Allo and Duo were more for personal use. Then in early 2017, Google announced the evolution of Hangouts and that the next version would be Hangouts Meet for video and Hangouts Chat for text conversations, and those would be designed for business rather than personal use. Since then, Hangouts really hasn't gotten any new exciting features, and gradually Hangouts' existing features were retired. That has sparked a lot of rumors about when Hangouts was going to shut down. And for the most part, those were completely wrong, and Google reassured everyone that they would not shut down Classic Hangouts until people could be moved to using chat. But now it's finally time to say farewell to Classic Hangouts. Hangouts stopped working on mobile devices months ago, and as of November 1st, Hangouts on the web will redirect to Google Chat. The good news is that most all of your Hangouts conversations should already be in chat, so you can just start using that instead of Hangouts. Cheers.